The Lynx photo management software secures all your digital photo project documentation into a tamper-proof system to secure, catalog, store, share, and manage all your original photos, videos, and other files you take to document your projects. Your project teams are already taking the time and effort to take this vital visual documentation. Nothing resolves a dispute quicker than supporting or disputing a claim with proof of facts, and nothing establishes factual proof better than photographs. Photographs provide one of the best, if not the best, record of job progress. The old adage, a picture is worth 1,000 words, has never been more true when it comes to your construction documentation. However, this assumes that you're securing and storing your digital photographs and videos properly. Unfortunately, we see far too many companies that just put all of this vital visual documentation into just project folders and subfolders, where they can easily be accessed by users. However, the problem is almost every photo viewer photo management system is also a photo editor. So I don't want them to be able to come in and copy them, rename them, edit them, alter them, delete them, resize them. I can't tell you how many calls we've gotten where somebody has come in and taken a whole swath of images, and to make them fit better on a Word document or a PowerPoint presentation, they'll come in and resize the whole lot to a different resolution and save it. So now their original high-resolution photographs are nothing more than glorified thumbnails, and along with that, they've lost all of the vital EXIF data and metadata information on the photograph itself, such as the original date and time taken, camera make, model, and so much more. So not only can this make it very, very difficult to find images when you need them, but if you do find them, it can be difficult to know if they are the original images or if they've been altered or tampered with, if they've got the correct date and time, and so on. If they don't, then it makes them easily disputed, thrown out, causes credibility issues, and could even end up hurting you much more than helping you, which is the entire reason we developed and designed the Lynx Secure Digital Photo Management System over 2 decades ago. Lynx protects you by providing you with a complete, secure, tamper-proof visual documentation system that's been proven in court. Lynx ensures that you always have the original images with the original embedded EXIF and metadata, and you'll always be able to find them instantly by date, name, or your own organization's custom search fields that you create based on your needs and your projects. The Zero Footprint web application allows you to log in from any browser and literally see exactly what's happening on every project. You can look at actual site conditions, work in progress, confirm critical path and milestone progression and completions, or to instantly show off your best work to land your next big contract. With Lynx, it's like having X-ray vision and a time machine. You can go back to any time frame and see through walls, floorings, foundations. This way you can locate and see electrical boxes, conduits, feeders, plumbing, and so on before walls, finishings, and floorings have covered up the work. You can search by your captions, your permanent notes, additional notes, the photographer, photo number. You can also search by all your custom search fields or any combination that you want for any date range that you want. So for example, if we want to go look at type of work, filtration images right now, we pick it, run the query, and immediately it comes back with all of our results showing us all of the filtration photos that we have right now. Lynx also works seamlessly with all of your other construction management software applications. For example, we just did a search for filtration and came up with 12 images. If we were to now go load our CAD rendering or CAD drawing and we want to click on filtration, sure enough, there come the exact same images, the 12 images that we have right in the system. So it seamlessly integrates not only with CAD drawings, CAD renderings, it can also integrate seamlessly with maps, aerial photos, PDF documents, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets. If we want to see all of the images for the upstream nearby stormwater runoff, we simply click on it, and again, there are all of the images for that location. Now we can go back and forth through them, see all of the information on them, view them full screen, and come right on back then to the overview or the CAD drawing. Also seamlessly integrate with any document, like a PDF document here, a daily field report. So if I want to see all of the images from March 30th, 2018 by this employee, I can just click on the link for daily photos. Here come all of the images for 3/30/2018 for that employee. So now I have all of the images that that employee took that day, where I can easily review them, go through them, and they always tie back to the original report because we don't ever have to worry about images being deleted, renamed, or moved to other locations with the Lynx Secure Photo Management software. If your cameras have GPS capability, simply select the images, view on a map, and you can see exactly where your photos were taken. View it in satellite mode, regular mode, and if you want to see what image was taken where, just click on the pen and up will come the photo for that location. Go right on back to your map, select another location, and so on. Uploading new visual media to the system has never been easier. Simply choose the files that you want to upload. You can browse anywhere on your network, local drives, removable drives, digital cameras. Then select whatever image or images you'd like to upload. Click OK. And with our simultaneous file upload system, they'll upload extremely fast. So you can pick entire folders of images, ranges of images, anything that you'd like. The system also allows you to very quickly and easily just drag and drop if you're more comfortable with that as well. So you can either select and open or simply drag and drop, and up come all your images. And tagging your images is extremely simple. Simply select one, or you can hold Shift, or just click on them individually to select one or more files. Now go ahead and just give it whatever information you want. In this case, I'm just going to type in road work. Then I can add any additional notes that I want. And then we've got our company custom search fields down here. So if I need to change anything here, I simply can. So I just put in whatever values I want right here, and when I'm ready, I just file those off to the project. Then I can select the next set of photos, pick whatever criteria I need, file them. And if you take repetitive photos, you can even create presets. So for example, these two images belong to filtration. I take a lot of those images, so I've already got a preset set up for filtration. And you'll notice when I pick that, it automatically fills everything out for me. I file my images, I'm done, and I go right on back to the project. You can also quickly and easily upload and tag your images from any mobile device, like an iPad, iPhone, or Android mobile device. Just download the Lynx mobile application from either the iTunes App Store or the Google Play Store, and now let's go ahead and file some images to that same project. So we're going to go ahead and tap on our Lynx mobile application. A list of all of our projects that we have access to now come up. We're going to tap on the same project we've been working with. Now we're going to select some images from our iPad. Now when we're ready, we'll just start selecting the image or images that we want to upload. So we've selected 6 photos to include. Now we're going to just go ahead and tap on Next. And here's where we now annotate our captions, notes, and search fields. If we want to change anything, like for example the status on schedule, if we want to put complete, I'll just tap on status. I'll pick completed. Type of work, I'll tap on that. I'll put in finishes. And now I'm good to go, so I just tap upload. Now it's complete, and I can continue to upload more images to either a different project or just keep continuing to add to the project that we've just done. So we just minimize or close the app. So that's all there is to getting new media up into the system. Not only that, but now watch. Again, it seamlessly integrates itself. So if we go back to that CAD rendering without anybody doing any work or needing to do anything, if we click on the filtration images now, 14 show up instead of 12 because it's including those 2 new images that we just filed. So imagine how powerful that can be to integrate with all of your schedules, CAD drawings, everything to keep you completely up to date in real time with all of your visual documentation. Collaborate with all of your project partners. You can also mark images up for visual punch list type items or just to draw attention to something specific within a photograph. So if this coupling failed a pressure seal test, for example, we would just add a new layer. Put in whatever objects you want, and again, with whatever backgrounds, colors, fonts, and so forth. I'm just going to save this layer. We'll jump right on back to our thumbnails. And now you can see there's a little red pen on that. Let's select just these 4 images, and let's go create a link to send to one of our project partners. I'll call this VP Visual Punch List for Bob. So now I can view that link, copy that link. I can also just instantly go grab that link right here. And if I want to send that to another project partner, I'll just click email. That then will bring up my default email client. In this case, it's Outlook. I just put in a recipient of who I want to send this to. I can change the subject or add to any of the text if I want and send it off. Now the recipient or anybody that you're collaborating with these links on, they don't need anything. They don't need to install any software. They don't have to download any file attachments, nothing. So in this case, the recipient is going to receive the email. They click on the link. And of course, up come just those 4 images that I selected for them to view, and if they double click on any of those images to view them, my redlining layer will pull up showing them exactly what I need done, where, when, and so on. So it's a great way to visually communicate any images, multiple images, or all images with anything that you want, whether it be a CAD drawing, a schedule, a document, or in this case like a visual punch list where you only want to show or display specific photographs. In addition to uploading image files, you can also upload video files, audio files, and PDF documents. And Lynx has its own built-in transcoding system, so if it's an older format, Lynx will still accept it and convert it to a newer MP4 format, and if it's a large video, Lynx can also resize it while still maintaining and keeping your original video. So file your videos, audio files, picture files to your projects, and then all can be made available or linked to any other application and so on. Playing a video would be no different than looking at a photograph, so to view it, simply double-click on the icon. That'll bring the video up. You can start watching it, and of course you can always run it in full screen mode, exit full screen mode, pause, fast forward, and so forth. So as you can see, Lynx is an ideal tool for all of your visual documentations, from all of your videos that you take, all of the image files that you're taking, everything that you need to document and manage your construction projects.